life no balance. Just see me now. I did this gate since how many hours now? I never see anything. I quit this job now. They go say I'm not a good Nigerian. I'm serving my country.
To be mumu. I'm very stupid. I'm very.
Thank God, this wicked man don't dey go. Wicked human being. I think say na this village you go kill, you go die. Put whether na even make one no dey get customer. I don't tell you na more than many hours. I just say na you won't pass. Wicked human being. See you now. See your life. Your life will do better. I take better pass my life. Just look at me. I'm an officer. You are not palace. I'm well known in the full country Nigeria. Who know you? Wicked human being. You are a wicked man. I'm not scared of you. You cannot do me anything.
Me?
Yes, you. What can you do?
You Western like this. You want to tell me say you don't get better life. You know say na your destiny they wait for sin. As I don't achieve your destiny now I won't go Ghana. So now HK I dey go for Ghana like this. So Jesus! Now your destiny dey inside my bag like this. They shout say you don't get.
No.